Hi there, I'm Susan Regan, and I wanted to tell you how I approach my work with people. I've been working with people on their relationships for over 30 years. I offer a lot of services and have a lot of training, and I want to just let you know how to come into conversation with me about where you're at in your relationship journey or transitions in relationship or just trying to make your relationship life the way that you want it to be. So usually people come to me, either if they're having a hard time in their relationship, they're leaving their relationship, or they're wanting to start a new relationship. All of those things are completely valid. And I have services that address each of them. One of them is an experience that you can have with me here in the community of Relatable. I offer this community because I want to be off of social media and just into a private setting where you can access me, ask your questions, and really pick my brain about things that you're challenged by. Not only do I try to help you figure out how to strengthen the relationship you're in, discern and decide whether you want to stay in it and what the timing could be, work with your kids if you need to help them in a separation process or in a process that you're not separating, but you're just changing the style of how your family functions. You can also come into any of my divorce support groups. And I offer a group that's more advanced after you've been separated and divorced for a while, which be recreating your life and dating and figuring out what is the way you want to have relationships now. What have you learned about yourself that you want to actually experience in relationship now? What kind of relationship do you think you can attain and you have the capacity for? So there's lots of ways to access me. I hope that you'll click the link below. I have a chat that I do twice a week, and the times are below as well. And feel free to just send me a message. I can actually talk about that in the chat. You can come on, you won't be on video, but you can be chatting with me about some of your questions and you can be just asking me your questions. And that way I protect your identity until you want to come into one of my services. So I hope to hear from you soon. And thanks for just checking me out. And I hope that you'll find some of the psychoeducational information that I put out helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to any of my things so that you can get more information of when I'm recording something new.